One Raceway is the second full-time motor racing circuit here in New South Wales, Australia. What used to be known as Wakefield Park Raceway, built in 1993, and there wasn't a lot of maintenance done to Wakefield Park for the entirety of its time. So we needed to modernise everything. There's a real 3D experience by coming to a motorsport precinct rather than what you might get, say, watching it on TV. Having the sun and the wind in your face and you know, looking around at the various vantage points we have here. So to have a quality commentary and a quality PA system allows people to really have that full 3D experience when they're here at the circuit. We need to be very agile here. We're sitting in this beautiful race control building, but some of our commentary team are often roaming up and down, talking to drivers or racers or pit crews, and to have the roving wireless mics is a very important part of being able to do that. We've got hundreds of metres to cover here, and the mics just don't let us down.
The challenges in this venue, RF-wise, is a lot of the racing teams have their own communication systems, also outside broadcasts, etc. Obviously, frequencies need to be coordinated, and in that respect, Sennheiser excels.
When the commentators go downstairs into quite a noisy environment, they need to have good feedback and clarity of what they're listening to. So they put on the noise cancelling headsets with the boom mic, and then they take the Sennheiser roving mic, and then they can have the conversation with whoever they're talking to, and it's very, very clear. It works out perfectly.
Motorsport parks present particular challenges around RF, all sorts of interferences, as well as many people in a dense environment. Once we were aware that it was a site-wide deployment of Dante, EWDX naturally fit the bill there. And I think where we excel is RF management.
Sennheiser Control Cockpit software can be used for remote access and control of the RF.
There's a lot of teams that use Sennheiser equipment. I've also got a background in aviation where Sennheiser is also synonymous in aviation. To me, it's a brand of quality. We get great feedback about how crisp and clear they are in a very noisy working environment. We didn't take any of our decisions lightly in regards to our technology. We did our due diligence, and we're very, very happy with what we've ended up with Sennheiser.